aside your destruments! Your aura guided me to what you needed. I can feel our energies resonating.
I'll bounce back from this.
Gigamart, we have everything, so you can have everything.
Thank you! What else can I get for you? Those carts are huge for a reason. Buy more!
Now that's giving up the business!
Ooh, that one's on sale! Buy 200, get one free!
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
We're out to dethrone a king, not to squabble with nobodies. You fall like a boulder. I flow like the waves.
Eat up, bulk up, get... I bet you feel stronger already, don't you?
A tasty bit of trash! An outrage! Ah!
Take your time. I'm pretty late. Oh, delivery's free. I like the exercise. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
If you're not growing, you're failing!
You do see these tusks, right?
You should know, I'm a bit of a legend on Pelago. Bring her about! I've got another salvo with me.
I would never debase my wares by. I think that suits you beautifully. You want to buy that? I mean, excellent choice. You're a smart one for your size.
No, I am not a dervish. That's offensive. I will accept my punishment.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Large shoppers buy vintage. They don't make these like they used to.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? Now that's quality!
I got my scars in the war. How about I help you get yours? I don't have time for this anyway. I own 3 businesses.
If the Elder could see me now!
How can I help you? Also, go Kivers! That one's top quality, pro level.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabalians.
I will leave you alive to learn the lesson. If you think you've hurt my feelings, I assure you I have none.
The Bazaar's a crazy place, right? Now, if that doesn't work out for you, come back for a refund. Happy to make a sale. Sad to say goodbye. Do you have to leave already?
You seem like a nice person. Maybe too. Ah, the joy of more. Bring it in. My people believe in peace. Boring! Moving up in the world.
Let it be. You will never escape. Thank you.
Now that's giving up the business!
I sense something blocking your power. Let's get... Thanks for trusting me. I hope we can do this again.
I think you're really gonna enjoy that.
Have you seen Sylvia by any chance? Did she mention me? And with a blast of pure charisma, voila!
I should warn you, I'm not like other Pygmaliens.
I may be young for a captain, but I've seen my share of storms. Like my crew says at the bar, another round!
Sylvia and I. Oh, it was a love too big for the silver screen. Silver, gold, diamond, it all comes down to confidence.
The smaller the portions, the finer. Remember, diamonds come in small boxes. Buyer's remorse never. Be remorseless. Tell everyone you got it here. Shall I gift wrap it for you?
Not all Pygmaliens are pacifists. If you're not growing, you're failing.
People say, don't get so defensive, Fortis, but I'm a shield master. Here's the enemy, here's you. Shield goes in the middle. Simple, right? Do you have any really
small things. I'll never resell this. Oh, it's like the baby birds that nested in my mother. Ridsworth is gonna yell at me.
Hello, my friend. This will do well for you, I promise. I don't succeed unless my clients succeed, and I am very successful.
My dreams are too big for you to steal.
You are a child to me, and I will punish you. You are merely a step on the ladder I must climb.
Now that's quality!
Little sentients love shops, so I opened one. Heavy? They tell me it's a problem.
Come too far to let you. It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Small items, small people. I love them all. I'll show you those stumps back home. I'm gonna be a business tree.
I offer you, they bless you with health. Do not squander it.
Are you sure? Noticed I'm huge?
deals, not war. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this. Use that for the good of all. I'm so glad we could share this experience today.
Sale, no sale. I want what's right for you. I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for. If the Elder could see me now.
How do you hugelings use these things? I guess I made a sale. I only sell things so I can buy things. Huge things!
No armor? You're so brave.
You do see these tusks, right?
Go ahead. Underestimate me. It makes this more fun. You've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
Teach me nothing. Never too old to play. Oh, this from my childhood. It's okay. You take.
evil, punish, use that for the good of all. You are enough, friend. But I'm glad you bought this.
Believe you'll win, and you'll win! But not against me! Ah, the joy of more! Bring it in.
You'll learn more from one day in the Bazaar than a decade in academia.
So, how about this weather where... Oh, you're leaving.
Hey, that's okay. It's been nice talking to you.
My people believe in peace. Boring!
My fight isn't with you, but if you insist. All cannon, no ball.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation. Just toss that on my back, and I'll trot it to your door.
Come on in. Let's chat. Maybe I'm not cut out for business.
We fight, I win. We share a mug of grog. We primordials all have one thing in common. We keep living.
I'll help you master your skills if you're willing to do the work. Like, all the work.
My dreams are too big for you to steal. Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge? I can see you're going places, but I'll be chasing you. Now that's giving up the business!
I can feel our energies resonating. Your aura guided me to what you needed. Use that for the good of all.
Moving up in the world! nice person. Maybe too nice.
Try your luck. You can't lose. Now get out of here and keep winning.
If you're not growing, you're failing.
I am not a warrior. I am just a man who has lived. Soon I think you will be ready for Adira's training.
Now that's quality! I should warn you, I'm not like other Pygmaliens.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does.
Moving up in the world!
I used to offer a free ride home, but people thought it was weird. If it's not right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy.
Right. Back to business. Not what I'd call tasteful, but... maybe I can resell this to my employees. Happy to exploit. I mean help you. Large items, small items, grotesque excess. Hope that rat Wixel was watching.
The dunes are waves on a sea of gold. Your strength is beautiful.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
You've learned much today, but there is so much more.
You came all the way here. Might as well stock up.
Now that's quality!
more you buy, the more you save. It's just math.
Come with no weapons, leave with big bargains. I suppose you'll go buy a weapon instead.
You do see these tusks, right?
You remind me of someone I fought last century. I could teach you my power, but you would squander it.
The potential is vast. Let me show you.
I thrive under pressure.
Come, let's release our joy and rage. Return to the Bazaar. Do not corrupt us.
If the Elder could see me now!
Oh, yes! There are rumors that I'm a fraud. But do frauds have...
My people believe in peace. Boring!
When we are finished, may I dissect you for study? There is always a price for knowledge. You have just paid it.
If the Elder could see me now!